All right, it's a new day, new episode of Your Daily Scrum with professional Scrum trainers Todd Miller and Ryan Ripley. We get together each and every day to help you get better with your Scrum and adjacent practices each and every day. Like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Hit that bell. Lots of good stuff we got a lot of stuff planned, so don't want to miss it. Comments, we need your comments. Leave your questions and comments below. And those influence future videos. Check out the description to learn more about Todd and I, our book, Fixing Your Scrum, and the classes we teach through the scrum.org catalog. We teach a lot of them. Check it out. Todd, we just actually finished up a PAL EBM course, an evidence-based management class, and something that we got asked about, or that became a big topic. I thought we'd go ahead and do a video here because it's kind of interesting. When using EBM, can we change our goals? Todd, what do you think?
Yeah, let's go ahead and just talk about and define the 3 levels of goals in evidence-based management. We have an image up. If you're listening, then I'm just going to read them out loud. So 3 levels of goals. The biggest, broadest, most vague goal really is called a strategic goal. A strategic goal is something important that the organization would like to achieve, right? So this goal it's so big and far away with many uncertainties along the journey that the organization must use empiricism. Big audacious goal here, right? A step towards achieving that strategic goal is called an intermediate goal, the second level down, an abstraction from the strategic goal. And immediate goals, there are achievements of which will indicate that the organization is on the path to its strategic goal, right? Step towards the strategic goal. And then immediate tactical goals. This is critical. It's near term. It's an objective that the team is working on right now. And that also validates, invalidates, and tells you whether you're on traction towards the strategic goal and the intermediate goal. So 3 different goals: strategic, intermediate, and immediate tactical. And those are the goals levels in EBM. So after that long definition, circling back, when using EBM, can we change our goals? What do you think, Ryan?
I'm going to say emphatically yes. EBM is built on top of empiricism, right? So transparency, inspection, adaptation. Look, when we realize that a goal is unachievable, that it no longer makes sense, that it is not profitable to continue to pursue, we must make the decision to change. We've got to pivot. We've got to pick a new goal. Maybe we stop our work. Maybe an intermediate tactical goal, right? Maybe that once we got done with that work and we achieved that goal, or maybe we couldn't, maybe that informs us that the intermediate goal is unachievable. All right, we need a new intermediate goal so that we can continue working towards our strategic goal, right? This is just to us, it just makes sense. The data came back, we learned something. Now we should act on that data. And sometimes, Todd, and I know you know this too, the goals just no longer make sense and we have to change.
Yeah. I mean, and it could be a point where this could happen for a number of reasons. One, maybe you achieved that goal. Maybe you invalidated that goal is even possible. Maybe that goal doesn't make sense anymore. Maybe that goal isn't worth the money anymore, right? So really, honestly, the entire idea behind this structure and these goals is that you're validating the path towards them and validating whether they still make sense, right? And so the answer here is pretty simple. It's we can absolutely change our goals. We don't want to fall into the trap where we don't change our goals because we're not operating with empiricism then. I think there's probably some cautions here though, right, Ryan?
Yeah, we don't want to just change them because something turned out to be difficult. We don't want to change our goals because a new shiny thing has distracted us, right? We want to make sure that we are pursuing we always want to make sure we're pursuing the right thing at the right time for the right people. And so in that case, we learn that that's not true. That's when we change the goals. But when impediments present themselves, we don't just pivot, right? So we want to be careful with how we do this.
Yeah, I think so.
Todd, this mindset, real quick before we wrap up, I think this is a carryover from the OKR world where it's set it and forget it. Right. And I want to make sure people realize, this is a thing. It's a real pattern. Don't fall into that. Use empiricism, inspect and adapt. Make sure that you are continually evaluating your goals and change when you learn something.
Yeah.
All right.
No fixed mindset here.
Not at all. End screen time. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the socials. Click that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Got a lot of things coming around facilitation. The EBM catalog continues to grow. You don't want to miss any of it. So hit the bell and don't miss any of them. Be sure to subscribe, though. Let us know you're out there. It helps out the channel as well. Some videos are going to pop up. It's our Scrum Framework course and our EBM course. If you want to learn more about EBM, click that playlist and work through them. Some merch is going to pop up as well. Grab yourself a hoodie. You deserve it. For Todd, I'm Ryan. Go forward and do some smart things with your EBM program. Let us know how they go in the comments. Story points are trash. We'll see you tomorrow.